U Presiden HYC upa Robert Jun Karjarin habekren bekenong patai kubor ulong bamenta la Santos nem 4 don ya ke State University ke Bapiang batwat lala play ya ke Captain Williamson Sangma University ha William Nagar hendrai kam 4 biang namar kam 4 rekam batlada don ya la ke State University ki college kila ban penyesok bat kani ke jing kan ammi shu Ulong bagi soka jela kadai ban kendit ban riuno namar kalami kejing na kejing pentrekam ya ke Kuwait ha ke jela namar kejing bamdon ya ke State University la kejong bat kejing ke bami menta na ke NEP kadai namar kejing bamdon ya ke State University la kejong Ulong bagi HYC kala dawa na ke sorka jela bakadai ban bu ya ke Wei ke State University ya pok kenong ba shalong bat ke sorka jela kala ban chupen banano ya ke nu ke college jaka kedan university ban ajing hikai haki master degree ne ban tei betno dak university ka batamai Unong yalam ke HYC ulong bah ke jing pentrekam ya ke NEP ke HYC kala mi syakhamat Bakaladon ke jingkul mar jingmut jong kinong song shnong ha ke jela namar ke wei ke kenhun ke lapen pau badai banyak syakhamat bat ke NEP kat bakawei pat ke kenhun ke lapen pau baka jela kampak dai banyak syakhamat bat kumnu ha ke wei ke jela ha ke juk skul ba kendon arjat ki college ki ba pentrekam ya ke NEP bat ki bom pentrekam ya ke NEP Ulong batla ke sokar jela kam don bor halo jong ke nihu ke badai ke skul ba jong ke sokar pedeng hendai ke sokar jela ke de bantuklar namar kan keta i ke samla puli bat yakinu hikai jong ke jela U Presiden ke HYC uli itu bau rakam sangma ula pentip bagi sorka jela kan selum ya ke jingalang jong ke Higher and Technical Council meeting ha ke bagi klik jong ke jaka puli ken donlang banyak keren halo ke jing pentrekam ya ke NEP ke bawat u Vice Chancellor ke nihu ru unlong kup mu Vice Chairman ha ke ni ke kenhun Ubat Robert Jun Karjarin ulong bakani hu kedai ban lum ya ke jinghalang ya ke nong hikai bat principal banyak perkat arsin ya ke nikakam namar an amla banya hakarukom bandon ki college ki ba pentrekam ya ke NEP bat ki college ki bom pentrekam ya ke NEP ulong ru balada ke academic council jong ke nihu kampat menjur ban penyak syakmat ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke NEP kumnu tang ke executive council jong ke nihu kala ban shim ya ke rai
NIT ngidon kami ngidon ki private institution ki balik tinggalong ba beli kim ya don ga kenja mo uyu si apa dengan ki college bat kini ki vocational training institute ban ayah ta ka vocational course sha ki student ki jongi ngin ay duksa kum ka security ga beli kim tim obat ko humkat ani kim tim obat kino ki private institution ban sanya mo uyu ban yo ayah kata ka vocational course ki student let's say kum ka B.Ed balik kim tim op but let's say ka sen demon na ni ka subs in college kala ben tim op but kanu institution ka baaya ka B.Ed course ha ka bari but kaning kam ti kum kini ki ideas kum kini ki intervention la da ka dei ha ka financial intervention la ka dei ha ka academic intervention but kum ju uru ha ka policy making intervention kala don kam hadu kata-kata kenang ba kani ke problem and la solve. Kani ke for ya ka ba ka higher and academic council jong state government kadi ban chimkhia but ni dawa nak state government bawat la kani hu kamdei ka benta jong state government hari kani ke for ka ba hab ban muslia la ne hab ban yarap na beli kumba kalong mata ka ba ma kalong ba kadon ga jingapher jingmut ka bajur apa dengan kanihu authority bat kinoi kai bat lada ya kani ka kam ngi mlam tun bet ka ban suffer ka dei ki student bat ki parent kunta ngi la ajumut bat ngi khimit ba sarkar na khlia kan pediang ya ki jindawa bagi jing ajumut naka liang jong u minister ula da pangangi ba kun sakhot ya katu ka higher and technical council meeting yang apa ke head of institution kin don la ti haba ki head of institution ka bumut ki principal na bar ki college kin wan ti ula assure ban ya keren ya kan ni kamat hakata ka meeting phik ma pitip the state government kamla ban determine ya ki academic policy jong kan ibu makani hu gadi ka autonomous institution apo ka central government ti hendrai lengba ka tapat na mo beli UVC udi member hakata council ti lada ki ya keren ya kan ni kam hakata ka council ni let's say kila ban yekta ki jing penon kam kila ban keren but ka state government kala ban step in report let's say banerap khamtam financially academic consultation or kable ba ni hundred financially kata ada gawi kabar ka ba nakaliang jong kabar nakaliang jong minister uang ba un saya keren bat ka bor jong kan niku ka bedi bat kan kam na beli kumba ngilalik bane kenduk yo visi mene ulah kular yang ni ba un sakot ka wi meeting abandon lang ki teachers organization ki kan niku abandon lang ki representative yang pasti government bat kiseng alang ru ban keren dia kan kam tingi su man ong balada ki wan kini ki meeting lada kadon kum kini ki ngila bat nakaliang ga jong yiru ngila da ong ba di ban ong ya kan niku le kum no wan perlom ka tu ka emergency academic council meeting Nobeli ketua academic council kadi ka bor ka bandrai ya ki policy decision hak pedai bat kajing penterikam tila da academic council kampat agree benaya chakmat ya kajing penterikam ya NEP hatu tang ke executive council jo gani hu kala mo bersim ya kata karai Nobeli ka involve ya ka policy decision ti halor kani ula da pongi bo unsa le hak bor hak level ke jong u bat ni kimit nanti ba sarkar jala kan simkia ya kan kap kanang ba kini ki jing ni la
Ika ika sekarang gedung visi lo apa itu bukan gedung dari kampanye ini begitu lebih korek semua bagi lah long ready banyak smart kan di korek sambil udah lalu pak long ready
hak pot bangi kendu yo visi mene hak beri bat kan ke kap ya tho yang in detail ya kata ka proses ke baki lale ban penrikam ya kini pi bat ka proses ke jongki ke baki lale ke ong kila dang la kam slip au boleh kila dondu da ka wi ke komiti halor kan ke kam ho batai ya ki jing mentoi bat batai ru ya ki jing du jing mentoi lada ngimia chakmat ka wi de jing du jing mentoi lada ngimia chakmat ke baki ong ba kan jia yu ha arjar afun riwat punyo au boleh ha arjar riwat punyo lada kini ki 3 years but ki 4 year graduate ki lepas yo let's say ki central university ha por ko jari India let's say ke GNU ni ke DU kim shim admission show ye kini ki bom pass NEP tika jia yu ki student de jo tekum kita ki jingge let's say ulapan pa ho u klempong bagi nom shim ndai uang ba dajia ba kim shim kena kan nehu ti ki ong ba kim shim be ye ki ba pass NEP non NEP ti kum kita ki ba yu ndai nging la da balada kata NEP ka bha ko ba prakhat ki bat lada kata ka jing pentrikam ya NEP ru lala banle ti beli kami ke jing persya jong kinong kai tina takadong ni saong ba dei ban penlong biang ya ka academic council sa sisin kanang ba kin ya prakhat sa sisin no beli ngin ba tai than ngi kam jong ki college of institution kami ha na takadong ngi ong ba visi de ban khot biang ya ka academic council immediately but hagajo por udi ban khot ya ka meeting bat kinong kai kinut ki teachers association kum ki meta ki nehuta kum ka MCTE bat ki don kam ya ka hok ban keren ki don kam ya ka hok ban pensngo tilada kan nihu kam sapsu kalong kan bu jing ya ki ya barok ki nong chong chnong aga jalai
and all this and then we have on the same page. They are also concerned for the students of our state. So, but I would be happy if the MCTA could kindly convene the meeting with the head of institutions and then listen to them. Challenges would have been good, and I would request them, whatever decision of any angles, should decide taking the future of our students on priority. I'm always worried for our students to be left out. So our friends HYC have raised the concern valid point. They were confusion. They are not. They were talking about the hybrid mode that NEHU is going to implement. This is true. What they have raised is very, very true. Because if NEHU is going to implement NEP in hybrid mode, so none of the heads of the institutions will not be happy to be left out. This is what they consider. It is again true. Mm-hmm. If all the head of institutions say no to NEP again, then the entire state will be left out with the rest of the country. I'm just worrying to reiterate again and again. all the university across the country has went ahead implemented a 4-year undergraduate courses. If we continue, if any institutions continue on the 3 years graduate courses, they will graduate. Our students will graduate in 2026. If they want to pursue the higher studies for post graduation in any university, they may not be eligible or they may not be accepted for admission in any university outside the state. Then they may ask to wait for another year. In 2027, when all the 4-year undergraduate courses has been, the students will be graduate, they will certainly go for admission for the postgraduate. Then a 3 years graduate of our state, if apply for the admission, maybe they will get rejected. I don't know whether the university will take admission of the 3 years course or not. That is, I'm still on confusion. So I don't think so. Any university will take admission of the whole system. With this challenging ways ahead, I think so. Whatever decision should be at the future of us and should not hamper and should not what to call the future of our students should not be affected, and nothing short like that will hamper the future of our students. So therefore, we of course the state as in a generic system, we have already on the process, and we have already signed MOU for PM USA and all, how to strengthen our institutions. So the challenges certainly as a when new system come in, when the change happen, certainly there are challenges. There is challenge. That is true. As a state government, we are working out how to find a way to assist our institutions, and also like there are few government institutions in our state with a limited courses, with a limited resources. So government is finding the way how to make it possible. And also under RUSA, now it's turned into PM USA. So we have constructed lots of infrastructure for certain colleges in last 5 years, and also 232 post lectural force for certain colleges under People College Force has been created. I think this will certainly have the institution to meet these challenges.